whisper something happy in my ear.
Good morning. It's your girl C. Oops. It's your girl C. I am headed to the farm. It's a Sunday morning. It's a little later in the morning for me. It's 10:34. You know what? Hold on. I am tired of looking at these videos and seeing my lips crusty. I'm like, why are my lips always looking crusty? Hold on, because I know I got some moisturization for my situation on hand. Let me fix this. Let me remedy this real quick. This is not... crusty lips is not part of my aesthetic. Better. So yeah, I'm headed to the farm. It's 10:35 now. Malcolm has actually already been out there about 4.5, 5 hours. He left very early this morning, along with our future son-in-law, and they were meeting up with some volunteers who came through that I'm gonna meet. They actually helped out yesterday. So, got some snacks in the trunk. Got some little plants with me, some little hemp babies, which I can show you later. Not gonna show you right now because I'm driving. Need to keep my eyes on the road. And with that said, I am going to go ahead and end this right here and then pick back up once I get to the farm. See you in a bit.
So I'm taking from my latest release. Go for it.
Can you explain what you're doing?
So, what we're doing, running from... Yeah, so...
Why you wear that shirt? You get messed up.
I didn't. I got other shirts.
Oh.
So we got the pump running, and we needed to see the pressure, right? So they was doing kinks, right? But the kinks, cause the pressure. So if we straighten the hose out and just make adjustments.
So like a water hose, a regular water hose. You can't have kinks in it.
As long as it's there, now we got to match the hose up.
Does that water just go in the waves?
That was a what you call them?
A what?
It was tied to a line. So
Can it go a little
we're gonna have
closer?
to extend the lines out, right? Or either bring it closer, but instead of coming down the line and rolling it out, what we did was roll it out and then plugged it in, and it was all kinky. So that was a live and learn situation.
No, these red cups are hurting me.
They're reusable.
Yeah, but it's just as plastic.
All right.
I mean, I know this year is not
what we had to do.
I know, financial sustainability versus environmental sustainability is a challenge. I'm just saying. So those are the volunteers. Rashid, Chris, and then that's Slim, and then Malcolm, and on the other side of Malcolm is Josh. There is me. Y'all, it's hot. It is hot. It's one thing that just keeps amazing me is how hot it gets. The rest of these plants out of the car. Alright. Here we go. essentially the volunteers who were here came to learn because they're interested in getting into the hemp industry, specifically starting from the farming entry point. And so they reached out to Malcolm and offered to come and provide some labor in exchange for knowledge, and it really worked out great because you know, we didn't have anyone other than ourselves and, you know, Josh, who has a full-time job, so he's only available on the weekend. Of course, I have a full-time job, so I don't have full availability. And although I am extremely strong, there are just some things that I'm not able to necessarily do, like, you know, when he needs help lifting really heavy equipment, you know, I do what I can, but I'm not gonna injure myself. So it really worked out.
Old head that told me, what are you doing here? I'm like, what you mean? What's going on? All you gotta do is put the screw, the driver in there. I'm like, driver?
Exactly.
Like, no, put this on there like this.
But you stop being mistaken. I am. And you had my woman, so girl, give me a break. I remember telling you I had my family, so.
Drain that off right there. Huh? That should drain right off.
Cup.
There she go. Now she got water. There she go. Now she in there.
Nothing serious between you and me. Thought everything was on a level. You told me that you understood, but yeah, now you want to start your troubles. Girl, you're up to no good. You must be crazy, or you don't have a clue. What is this you're asking me to do? I would be crazy.
Interview, say who came out, you know, for the video. You know what I'm saying?
Just say your name, where you from.
Peace, blessings. I'm Rashid Lemoyne, Ross Ra from Atlanta, Georgia, out here at the GHF Farms, putting the future in the ground.
See, you already know.
Hello, Shanika Baxter, Columbia, South Carolina, live in Georgia. Shout out to Women's Grow, out here just supporting GHF Farms.
Yes.
Hey, Chris Daniel, College Park. Thanks, Green Heifer.
Thank you. Thank you. And Chris.
I'm Chris, man. From Atlanta, all the way. Green Heifer.
Yes, from Atlanta by way of Trinidad.